Usman, I must commend you for the energy that is being put into activities in Anambra in particular, and of course in the other Southeast states in general. Anambra is peculiar. A lot of companies are moving into that place. But the challenge we have is power. Of course, you've always known that in Nnewi is an industrial park. If you go there and inspect most of the industrial facilities there, every company has 2, 3 very large generators, you know, and they make noise all night, you know, and what have you. It's not hygienic, it's not the way to go. It makes their product very expensive because of diesel and what have you. So it's really important to really improve the power situation in that place. I've also tried to help your company too, because I put money over close to $1 billion in Awada substation to be able to increase it so that 32 communities will have light. Today, Nnewi has about 16 to 18 hours steady power supply, courtesy of TCN, you know, and we're looking forward to other communities in that area joining. The future of Anambra State, and of course the whole of the Southeast, lies in the Anambra North Senatorial District. That place is a virgin land, an agro basin. We have oil and gas there. We have the largest gas deposit in Africa, in Ibaria, you know, and all those potentials have not been tapped for so many reasons. Part of them I'm solving. In the last 5 years, I've done like 7 bridges, almost making up the whole communities. Before then it was abandoned. Incidentally, that's the area I come from. So if I don't do it, nobody will do it. You know, so I've improved the facilities there, but the people there require power. And that's why in the MOU we signed on Monday, you know, it's in the phase 2. But I really want that phase 2 to be like phase 1, you know, so that we can put all the energy to make sure that well, they commence almost simultaneously, you know, because that will go a long way in helping what we're doing. I really look forward to assisting. The challenges you have in terms of right of way, have solved that. Challenges of land, of course, that is given. We've provided the land, Amansi, Aguleri, Omochu, you know, and many more. Anything you want, I'm very willing to support. That's why I'm here to first thank you and you know, now see what we can take away from this meeting. Thank you very much.
Sir, the model we want to do with you is something that we want to replicate in other states. Of course, we have done this kind of model before with Enugu State, but it's not at this scale that we are doing with you. This is at a large scale. And it's something that we cherish it. We take it personally. I'm sure the chairman of Power will tell you that I call him all the time to say, where are we on this? And it's not only us, even the staff. If you remember when I visited you with the Secretary General of the NIWI, Nigeria Union of Electricity and Allied Workers. That is Comrade Joe Ajero. This will tell you that even the staff, they see that one as a model that we should do. And many of them believe that, and if I don't get it from you, this kind of model, where can I get it? You are a fellow accountant like me. So we think alike, we have certain language that we can speak that engineers will not know. So why can't we do this? So we take this very seriously, sir. And I want to tell you that we are going to work. See, Anambra is going to have will be in a unique position. Because if you look at NDPAC, I spoke with them last week, they told me the substation that they are doing in Aguaka is about 99% complete. And we are going to reconduct the line to give it enough power even before we complete the 330 in Oka. We are working on that. And I want to tell you, Your Excellency, despite the fact that we start this one for the Anambra North, later is not going to be delayed because of the following advantage that this one will have that the other one doesn't have. You know, previously contractors are recruited not following procedure that we are following now. We have increased the qualification criteria in such a way that all contractors that bid out for a job have to be contractors that have capacity, unlike before. So the contractor we're going to recruit here is not going to be the kind of contractor we have in the past. And now we don't give job unless we have the money to pay. So this job will be given with a steady money given to pay. Therefore, this one, I'll be surprised if the other one finished before this one, because this one is going to be tender under a new regime. And I also want to tell Your Excellency that I'm aware of that area of Anambra North. One of my neighbors here in Abuja, here in Maitama where I stay, is actually from your area. He is from Nando. He's from Nando. So I have a geographical knowledge of that area, and I visited the place when he lost his mother. So I know your area, and I know the vast land that you have. There's no land in Anambra State remaining except this your area. So that is the place that will be the industrial area of Anambra State, definitely going for the future. And we are going to work with you, not at this level, sir. We are going to put the infrastructure, but not only put the infrastructure, sir. Engineer Mr. Obu is here simply because we want to work with you. If big companies are coming to that place, as we are radiating this line, we connect them directly to the grid under the eligible customer declaration. So as you are discussing with investors, also tell them that TCN has assured you that as we put these lines and substations, we are going to connect them directly to the grid. So they will discuss with Obu, and they are going to get energy cheaper and more reliable because they are connecting directly to the grid. They will not be paying disco charges. And even TCN is going to have liquidated damage. If there's any problem with breaker, Adeomi will suffer penalty for not supplying the electricity. That is how it is. And if you check the eligible customer that we have connected now, some of them even confirm that their company will have died, even not because of this eligible customer that was declared by the minister, which we are using to explore. So we are happy to receive you here, Your Excellency, and we also thank you for all the achievement you have done. We want to work with you to provide steady power and supply to Anambra State. The one that we have signed memorandum of understanding, I want to assure you that next week we are meeting with the contractor. We are mapping out our strategy on how we're going to move to ensure that we complete it as quickly as possible. I promise you 1 year, and I believe I will deliver in 1 year. And you know, the work we are doing under Transmission Rehabilitation Expansion Program is very massive. It's scientifically driven. It's unlike before, when we extend supply without study. This one, everything is done by study. Everything. And I can also tell you that we have massive support, massive infrastructure extension in the entire Southeast. You know, the line between Alauji to Weri to Ihiala to Onitsha. That line was awarded under NIPP to Roxon. That project is not going to be realized. We have raised money from the African Development Bank, and we have advertised the tender. If you read about a few weeks ago, we have tendered it. So we are going to build a quad line. A quad line, this is the first time we are building this kind of line in Nigeria. It's going to be 330 quad line, meaning it will carry 4 conductors instead of 2. So it's going to be a double circuit from Onitsha up to Alauji. That's what we are doing. We are also reconducting the line from Alauji, from Onitsha to Nuevo. We are doubling the capacity of that line so that it can take more power. This is what we are doing. And we are reconducting the line, the 122 kV line from Onitsha to Oka, and Oka to Oji River also. So these are all the comprehensive things we are doing. We are also rehabilitating the Onitsha substation, upgrading it under the Transmission Rehabilitation Expansion Program. And with the support you are giving us, we are going to upgrade the capacity of GCM, General Cotton Mill, so that the place can supply all those areas. And we are working with you to complete the Newi and the Oba substation.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube for more information on the Transmission Company of Nigeria, TCN.